Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect homemade quiche crust. We'll start with the essential ingredients that lay the foundation for a truly delicious and flaky base. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of very cold unsalted butter, about 1/2 cup of ice water, and a half teaspoon of salt. These simple components, when combined correctly, will yield an exceptional crust every time. Now let's get to mixing. First, whisk together your flour and salt in a large bowl. Next, cut your very cold butter into small half-inch cubes. Using a pastry blender or your fingertips, work the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse meal with some pea-sized pieces remaining. Gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until the dough just comes together. Avoid overworking it to ensure a tender crust. Once your dough is mixed, gently form it into a flat disc. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 days. This chilling period is crucial for relaxing the gluten and making the dough easier to roll. On a lightly floured surface, roll the chilled dough into a 12-inch circle. Carefully transfer it into a 9-inch pie plate, pressing it gently into the bottom and sides. For a perfectly crisp quiche, blind baking is key. Trim any excess dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch overhang, then crimp the edges decoratively. Prick the bottom of the crust all over with a fork. Line the crust with parchment paper and fill it with pie weights or dried beans. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then remove the weights and bake for another 5 to 7 minutes until lightly golden.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.